More time for kids.
Yippee!
Hi everyone. Welcome to class. Today we're looking at different types of vehicles. Look at all the vehicles driving back and forth in the busy city. First, let's look at the aeroplane. Wow! Do you see it flying high? Many people travel by aeroplane for vacations and for work all around the world.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. Thanks for flying with us. Have a great day.
Now let's look at the bus. Can you see the school bus? People take the bus to travel from place to place, to work, to school, or just to get around. Now let's look at the car. Can you see the blue car driving? People drive cars to meet each other, to go to work, and to drop off their family at different places. Now let's look at a cruise ship. Can you see the boat in the water? People take cruise ships all around the world when they want to go on a vacation. That's all for today's class. See you next time when we look at more vehicles.